3 billionaire habits that will blow your mind and make you rich. What if I told you that just 3 habits? Yes, only 3 could separate the ultra-rich from everyone else. These aren't your usual wake up early or drink water tips. These are real billionaire behaviors. The kind that quietly build empires while the rest of the world scrolls. Let's go. Habit 1. Obsessive long-term thinking 0:21 to 2 o'clock. Habit number 1. Obsessive long-term thinking. Jeff Bezos didn't launch Amazon to make money in a month. He told investors, it'll take 7 years before you see serious returns. Most people want results now. But billionaires, they build for the next 10 years, not 10 days. They ask themselves, what can I build today that compounds in value over time? So here's the shift. If you're chasing fast likes, fast money, and fast validation, you're not building. You're surviving. But if you think in decades, you start to play the game that billionaires have already won. Habit 2. Energy over time. Habit number 2. Energy is more valuable than time. You heard that right. Elon Musk works insane hours. But it's not just about time, it's about focus. 1 hour of deep, clear energy can be more powerful than 10 hours of multitasking and chaos. That's why billionaires obsess over their energy. They avoid draining people. They schedule silence. They fuel their bodies like athletes. Time is fixed. Energy, that's your secret weapon. So ask yourself, where is your energy leaking today? Habit 3. Ruthless self-education. And habit number 3. Ruthless self-education. Warren Buffett reads 500 pages a day. Mark Cuban studies 3 hours every single day. Why? Because the world never stops changing. If you're not learning, you're falling behind, fast. Billionaires don't read for fun. They read to win. Business models, human behavior, trends before they go viral. They're not smarter. And here's the truth, they're just more informed. Books are $20 mentors. Podcasts are free universities. You have 0 excuses. Emotional close. So let's recap. 3 billionaire habits that can change everything. Brain think long-term. Protect your energy. Books learn like your life depends on it, because it does. You don't need $1 million to start. You just need momentum. Start small. Repeat daily. And you'll be unrecognizable in 1 year. Call to action. If this lit something inside you, smash that like button. Subscribe for more real, powerful habits the rich don't want to share. And drop a comment below. Right finger, which of these 3 habits are you starting today? This isn't just a video. This is the start of your transformation. Let's build your billionaire mindset, 1 habit at a time.